Good morning to everyone present here, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Abdul Khalid. Today we are here to celebrate 15th of August, our Independence Day. This day is very special for every Indian because on 15 August 1947,